If you think tubular metal buildings can't look this good, think again, because this 40 by 60 is about to prove you wrong. Let's go check it out.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, Ed here from the WolfSteel marketing department, and today we got something special for y'all. We're bringing back one of our older videos because in this one, Advil gives us a unique walkthrough of a 40 by 60 tubular metal building that was turned into a full cabin setup. Yes, that is correct. We wanted to bring this one back because it's packed with lots of ideas, lots of inspiration, and it really shows you what's possible when you take a tubular metal building and make it your own. And also, we do have a giveaway in which one lucky winner is going to be walking away with a free WolfSteel flag and a free WolfSteel shirt. That's if they answer the correct question down below in the comment section. And that question is, for our tubular metal buildings, anything above 13 feet in leg height, but below 15, is that built as a single leg, double leg, or ladder leg style? Again, be the first one to comment the correct question down below, and you'll be that lucky winner. And lastly, enough of me now. Follow us on all of our socials, like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into this video.
Texans, we're really giving this away. Yes, a real 30 by 40 metal building. Not a discount, not a grind, the real deal. Whether it's a shop or garage or that space you've been talking about for many years, this is your shop to make it real. Don't miss out. Click the link right now or visit our Facebook page to enter.
Welcome back. My name is Advil from WolfSteel Buildings, and today we have a very special build. Okay, this one is just, I'm super excited to show you guys. How about I let the video do the work this time? Okay, but just to give you an update where we are, we're in the San Antonio area. Our customer reached out to us to build out for his body. It's a mechanic shop, okay? And so he wanted to make sure his clients are well taken care of and have a great experience. So we're gonna check out this build and let's get this going. Now, the best part. And I hope that this inspires you to unleash your creativity, just like Varsity Outfitters did for their build. So let's go check this out. So I want to talk about this. So what you see up here is the framing for the trussing. So they framed it out where our trussing is actually inside of it. And they've actually framed it out in a nice, really just impressive way. So take a look at that. Customer did do about 2 to 3 inches of closed cell spray foam. That's how it's gonna look if you ever do. And that's what they did in the inside, which keeps the building really, really cool. If you're in San Antonio, Texas, check out Barcy Outfitters. They specialize in automotive repairs, off-road and custom fabrications, and as well as performance installations. I'll have all their details in the description below. See you guys next Friday for your next build. Thank you for watching.
We get it. Starting a new metal building project can feel overwhelming with concrete here, insulation there, permits somewhere else. At WolfSteel, we can take that headache away. From site prep to the last screw, we bring every service under one roof here in Texas for Texans, so you can have your metal building without the stress. We handle tubular buildings, red iron weld up and bolt up buildings, permitting assistance, full concrete slabs with site prep, plus any demolition if needed. Concrete coating options, various insulation options, a gutter system for your building, custom doors, windows, and even cedar accents if you want a more rustic look. You need more, like mezzanines, balconies, or masonry, we got that too. We do not service outside of our service area, nor provide material or kits only, and our services do not stand alone. We focus on full turnkey Texas metal building projects. WolfSteel is the easy choice. Texans, we've got you covered. If you fall within the service area, contact us today. If not, I hope our channel is helpful for your metal building project.
And that wraps up this video pack. Hope you enjoyed watching this tubular metal building and were left more inspired than ever. Builds like this really show you what's possible when you get creative with a simple steel frame. And a quick reminder pack for our tubular metal buildings. 13 and 14 feet tall comes standard with double legs, while 15 feet and up get ladder leg style. All that helps find wind pressure, reduce swaying, and it gives your building a real backbone out here in the Texas weather. And also pack, WolfSteel is a true turnkey solution from permitting to planning to concrete to the full building install to custom accessories and upgrades. We handle the whole process from start to finish. All you gotta do is dream it and we bring it to life. And that's the pack. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on all of our socials and let us know which video you would like to see come back. We'll see you in the next one.
What's up, Pack? Remember to stay up to date with everything that we're up to by checking out our social media. You can find us at WolfSteel Buildings for behind the scenes action. We share our latest projects, update on what the team is working on, and all the exciting progress happening in real time. Don't miss out on the action, and remember to give us a follow.
Tubular or red iron?
We get that question every single day. So today we're walking through this red iron build and showing you the major difference between both.